In this video, I will show you how to clean white gold at home. White gold jewelry is known for its timeless elegance and lustrous appeal. It's a popular choice for engagement rings, necklaces, earrings, and more. Over time, though, white gold can lose some of its shine and beauty due to exposure to natural oils, lotions, and environmental factors. But fear not, you can easily restore its brilliance with some simple cleaning techniques at home. In this comprehensive guide, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of cleaning your white gold jewelry and share additional tips to help you keep it looking stunning for years to come. Why white gold tarnishes? Before we dive into the cleaning process, let's understand why white gold tarnishes. White gold, a beautiful alloy made from gold and other white metals, is often coated with rhodium to give it a brilliant white color. Over time, this rhodium plating can wear off, revealing the yellowish tint of the underlying metal, which is typically a combination of gold, silver, and palladium. Additionally, white gold can accumulate oils, dirt, and debris, which can dim its shine. Regular cleaning is essential to maintain its luster. Materials you'll need: mild dish soap, warm water, soft bristle toothbrush, soft lint-free cloth, ammonia optional, jewelry polishing cloth optional. The cleaning process. Prepare a cleaning solution. Begin by mixing a few drops of mild dish soap with warm water in a small bowl. Ensure that the water is warm, not hot, as hot water can damage certain gemstones or any adhesives used in the jewelry. Soak the jewelry. Gently place your white gold jewelry in the soapy water mixture and let it soak for approximately 15-20 minutes. This soak will help loosen dirt, oils, and grime accumulated on the surface. Gentle scrubbing. After the soaking period, take a soft bristled toothbrush and gently scrub the jewelry. Pay close attention to areas where dirt and grime tend to accumulate, such as behind gemstones and in intricate designs. Be cautious to avoid scratching the metal or damaging any gemstones. Rinse thoroughly. Rinse the jewelry under warm running water to remove any residual soap residue. It's advisable to use a sink strainer or plug the drain to prevent accidental loss of any small pieces. Inspect for remaining dirt. Examine your jewelry for any lingering dirt or tarnish. If necessary, repeat the soaking and scrubbing process until your jewelry sparkles. Dry gently. Pat the jewelry dry with a soft, lint-free cloth. Avoid using paper towels, as they can leave tiny scratches on the metal's surface. Optional ammonia solution for stubborn stains. If your white gold jewelry still appears tarnished, you can try an ammonia solution. Mix 1 part ammonia with 6 parts water and soak the jewelry for no more than 1 minute. Rinse thoroughly and then follow the previous cleaning and drying steps. Polishing, if desired. To restore the jewelry's original shine, you can use a jewelry polishing cloth designed for white gold. Gently rub the cloth over the jewelry's surface to remove any remaining tarnish and bring out its luster. Additional tips and advice. And avoid harsh chemicals. Refrain from using bleach, chlorine, or other harsh chemicals to clean your white gold jewelry. These substances can damage the metal and any gemstones it may contain. Gemstone and diamond care. If your white gold jewelry features gemstones or diamonds, exercise extra caution during the cleaning process. Avoid submerging such pieces for an extended period, as prolonged exposure to water may weaken adhesives used to secure the stones. Always inspect the setting and ensure that the stones are secure before and after cleaning. Consult a professional for delicate or antique white gold pieces or for jewelry with intricate gemstone settings. It's advisable to consult a professional jeweler for cleaning. They have the expertise and equipment to handle such items safely. Regular maintenance. To prevent tarnishing and reduce the frequency of deep cleaning, store your white gold jewelry in a cool, dry place when not in use. Exposure to humidity and air can accelerate tarnishing. It's a good practice to place each piece in a separate jewelry pouch or box to prevent scratching and tangling. Rhodium replating. Over time, the rhodium plating on white gold can wear off, causing the underlying yellowish hue to become more pronounced. If your jewelry has lost its white color and luster, you can consult a professional jeweler to have it re-rhodium plated, restoring its original brilliance. Avoid excessive wear. Remove your white gold jewelry when engaging in activities that might expose it to chemicals, such as swimming in chlorinated pools or using cleaning agents. These substances can harm the metal and its appearance. In conclusion, taking care of your white gold jewelry doesn't have to be a daunting task. With a little regular maintenance and the proper cleaning techniques, you can ensure that your white gold pieces retain their allure for years to come. Remember to handle your jewelry with care, avoid harsh chemicals, and consider professional help for special or antique items. By following these guidelines, you can enjoy your white gold jewelry's beauty and brilliance for generations.